Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Welcome to week 3 of our little remote learning experience. So I hope this finds you guys okay. Hope you had a good weekend and you're ready to go. This is a short week, so we're going to keep it pretty simple. So let's get started so you can know what to do. Monday is going to be important so that you can create your account on BrainPop. So I'm going to show you those instructions. So the first thing you're going to want to do, if you haven't, but I know you have because you're watching this video. So on Google Classroom, I'm going to open up this week's assignment, and you're going to want to open up this Pear Deck first. It gives you the link. It'll open up a Pear Deck, which you can start, say how you're feeling today. I'm okay, but I'm not super excited yet. But I'm gonna be. So yeah, I'll get rid of the webcam so that I don't distract you anymore. I just wanted to say hi and see how things are going. Remember, we'll talk about that later. So let me get rid of this so you can focus. So this is your Pear Deck thing. Just go through the slides. So the first slide for day 1 is a mystery science video. So it says, if you click here, which I did, and boom, it opens up right to mystery science. How do germs get inside of your body? So continuing with this coronavirus, novel coronavirus COVID-19 business, we thought it would be good to watch this video so that we have a better understanding of how these things get into our bodies. So you'll just watch this and you can watch the bonuses and vote. You can do all that fun stuff. And then when you're done, you're going to come back to the presentation and go to the next slide. And there's some questions for you to answer. And so you just click here and type in your answer. What has to happen for a germ to make you sick? You'll get that from the video. The next slide, oh, looks like it won't let me go on until I type something. Enter, maybe. Oh, nope, I can go to the next one. Little multiple choice question. How do you think germs get inside your bodies? So you'll read the answers and click on the one you think is the correct one. And then the last one, what are some things you can do to protect yourself from germs? Again, just type your answer in right here. And that's it for the mystery science part, and that's the assignment part for today. So that's pretty simple. But the very important thing I need you to do is to get logged in on BrainPop. And so I'm going to show you the instructions now. You can read this stuff, but you can ignore it because here's what you're going to do. So we're going to go back to Google Classroom and click on, this is for first period, but whatever period you're in, you should see, it should say period 3, period 4. You'll click on this. This will give you instructions. So on here, it says go to BrainPop, click on enter code at the top, enter your class code, which is for first period. This is their class code, Olive3679. Log in with your personal account or create a new one. Most of you are going to have to create a new one. I don't know if you have a BrainPop account, but I doubt you do. So you'll see, create a new one. And then you can start exploring. And then you'll be ready for tomorrow's assignment. So I'm going to do what it says. Go to BrainPop. So I'm going to open up a new tab. Go to BrainPop. Oops, I totally spelled that wrong. BrainPop.com works. So if you look at this up here near the top somewhere next to where it says login, it has enter code. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to have to enter your class code. So I'm going to go back to this page I opened up. So for first period, my class code is Olive3679. So I'm going to type in, oops, no spaces, Olive3679 and submit. And so now, since I have a BrainPop account, my stuff pops up. But for you, you're going to want to sign up now. You won't be able to log in because you don't have an account yet. And so then you'll type in your first name, your last name, the username that you want, and mine that I usually have is already taken. So let's see, what could I change it to? Trying to think of how my username. You're going to want to use your school username. For me, that would be O1 EDIEJONT. You guys know what I'm talking about, right? 26, whatever your login is, your washk12.org. Just you don't have to put on the washk12.org. And your password. Make a password. I would use your same password that you always use, your initials and lunch number. Keep it easy. Retype your password. I don't know what's going on up here. Let me try again. Security question. What's my favorite subject? Of course, science. So you choose your own, choose a security image that you want, and then create your account. Something's messing me up. Oops. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh, including one number. I have to have a number. I didn't put a number in my password. Read the directions, Mr. Edie. Hope I got all right. Hey, look at that. Green check marks. Everything's matched up. I should be able to create my account now. You might save it in your Chromebook or whatever you're using so that you don't have to type it in every time. But boom, you're going to want to remember your username and login especially if you did anything different than your normal. Hopefully you didn't. But if you did, write it down somewhere so you won't forget. And then you can log in. And now you have your own BrainPop account. Kind of cool because this is a big deal. BrainPop is offering all of their stuff for free right now because of the whole virus business. And so you guys can get on here and go explore whatever you want. But tomorrow's assignment will be specifically about food chains in the ecosystem, since that's what we're learning about. So there you go. Please make sure to get that done as soon as possible so that you'll be imported into our classes, and then I can assign you tomorrow's assignment. So there you go. That's all the instructions for Monday. Pretty simple. That's all you got to do, and you're done. So let me know if you have any questions. If something's not working for you, email me, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I'll say bye. I also wanted to remind you tomorrow I had to change our little remote, our Google meeting from Friday because of other meetings that I had. So if you go back to Google Classroom, I just wanted to remind you, I'll move this up to the top, but tomorrow, April 7th, it'll say the time on your Google Classroom period. But if you click on this, it has the link to join the meeting. So that's tomorrow, so that we can do a brine shrimp observation and see how they're doing and talk about anything else we might need to with the brine shrimp. We might make a little model. I might have you draw a model, so maybe you have a piece of paper ready. But thanks. That's it for today. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.